FIS-XEE, the solution for business process integration in the SAP environment. Nowadays, business processes only run smoothly when customers, suppliers, and systems work together seamlessly. This is precisely where FIS-XEE comes in. The solution connects partners, processes, and systems within the SAP environment, quickly, transparently, and with a view to the future. This is Ingo. He works in IT and ensures that new business partners are connected quickly, securely, and reliably. What initially sounds like a simple partner integration soon becomes a challenge for Ingo. Differing requirements, formats, and coordination processes must be brought together to form a stable end-to-end process. It becomes clear to Ingo that B2B integration is far more than just the exchange of data. Each partner brings its own requirements, formats, and communication channels to the table. At the same time, there is often a lack of the necessary transparency in day-to-day operations. Many steps still have to be carried out manually, and specialist expertise is required. With every new partner, the complexity grows, and traditional integration approaches are increasingly reaching their limits. For Ingo, one thing matters above all else right now: turning a multitude of different requirements into a reliable integration process. This is exactly where FIS-XEE comes in. The solution brings together requirements, formats, and data structures in one central location, and uses this to create the basis for end-to-end automated processes. The FIS-XEE workbench makes complex partner integration manageable. Ingo is provided with a centralized tool that efficiently transforms different data structures into functioning integration processes. This turns technical complexity into a clearly structured path to digital partner connectivity. Ingo can see at a glance what information is required, how it fits together, and how it is reliably transferred into the desired process. New integration scenarios can be set up flexibly, existing structures reused, and requirements further developed in a targeted manner. This saves time, reduces the need for coordination, and ensures that new requirements are translated into usable solutions more quickly. The information is then intelligently linked together. Rules, mappings, and adjustments are created step by step in a clear and organized working environment. Ingo remains in control at all times. He can check results straight away, identify errors at an early stage, and implement adjustments quickly, ensuring greater reliability and quality in the integration process. Once the integration process is complete, it can be managed centrally and reliably transitioned into live operation. This creates an integration framework that not only meets current requirements but also scales to accommodate future processes, partners, and business models. What does this mean for your company and what opportunities does it present? FIS-XEE creates the conditions needed to translate new business requirements into productive processes more quickly. Teams gain time for strategic tasks instead of investing resources in manual integration processes. Standardized workflows and centralized control increase the stability of critical business processes. Existing investments in system landscapes are retained and can be flexibly integrated into future integration strategies. FIS-XEE grows with the company's needs and supports a scalable integration strategy. A centralized solution reduces complexity and contributes to a sustainable reduction in operating costs. Whilst Ingo efficiently manages the integration processes in the background, specialist departments benefit directly in their day-to-day operations, for example, Volker in sales. He is a sales administrator and is currently creating a new order for Kunze Metal AG in SAP. To do this, he enters 2 items, 40 aluminium hinges and 10 matching screws. He quickly enters the delivery date and saves the order. Volker's order number 4500001429 is now successfully posted in the system. But what happens next in the background? Volker takes us through his FIS-XEE Next Generation portal. In the monitoring section, he can view all document flows in real time. Here, too, is the outgoing message relating to his order. FIS-XEE handles the entire transmission automatically. The order is converted from SAP into the appropriate format. In this case, an EDI fact, and sent directly to the supplier securely, traceably, and without any manual intervention. All without Volker having to do a thing. Thanks to the tabs in the monitoring system, Volker maintains a clear overview and full control at all times. All relevant information on the document flow is available in one place and can be traced in full. Just a few moments later, the supplier's digital reply arrives. The EDI order confirmation is there and has been posted to the system immediately. What makes this special is that, in addition to background processing, FIS XEE also generates a visual PDF representation of the document straight away. With just one click, Volker opens the document. The EDI fact raw data, which is usually difficult to read, is displayed here as a perfectly structured and clearly laid out document sheet, ideal for a quick check. However, the real added value for Volker now becomes apparent once again directly within his familiar SAP system. Let's take a look at the order confirmation that has been received. In the Confirmations tab, the confirmed delivery date, quantities, and the supplier's reference number have been entered fully automatically. Volker did not have to transfer a single value manually. To ensure maximum audit compliance, Volker opens the attachment list directly within the SAP document. The complete transfer log from FIS XEE is stored here as a PDF, a fully automated process that noticeably reduces Volker's workload in his day-to-day tasks. With FIS XEE, you can connect business partners, processes, and systems efficiently, transparently, and in a future-proof manner. This transforms integration from a technical challenge into a genuine competitive advantage. FIS XEE, Business Process Integration in the SAP Environment. Trust in FIS.